Good mathematics isn't about how many answers you know, it's about how you behave when you don't know the answer. So, my name's Jason Baber, I teach mathematics. So today in class they were revising content that we've been looking at throughout this term. That particular content is number properties, so things like squares of numbers, square roots, exponents, adding and subtracting algorithms, multiplying and dividing, different strategies to perform those operations, and also looking at factors and multiples of numbers. So I don't know if you noticed or if you captured, I didn't correct any, if very little students. I didn't tell them whether they're right or wrong, because once the student hears that their answer is right, they'll stop thinking about it. Once they hear it's wrong, depending on the level of resilience, they might give up or they'll just move on. So I tell them to talk to each other, and that helps develop their empathy and communication skills as well when they work with each other more, and they'd learn to depend on each other more so than on me as well. I asked each student to reflect on how they performed last year. They set targets for this term, and then we talk about strategies how to achieve those targets. And then I have little one-on-one talks with the students about strategies, how they're applying those strategies, whether they're applying those strategies as well. Absolutely. There's a quote, I can't remember who said it, students remember how you made them feel, not what you said. And I think the same goes for even when I was thinking at school. If I remember year 7 maths, I remember my teacher, I remember how I felt in the class. I have no idea what I achieved. I have no idea what I even studied in that class. I can't remember what I got for year 7, year 8 and year 9 maths or whatever when I was there. But I remember how I felt in those classes and whether I enjoyed them or not. So if a student enjoys their class, they're more likely to attempt things as well. And I just think lifelong, 10, 20 years time, if they remember they enjoyed maths, then they're more likely to attempt math things later on in life as well if they remember enjoying it.